Hello, my ABT students. We're going to do assignment number 9 now, wonder letter, and as I did on the last one, I put the body in just to save me time when I'm recording this video. So you'll be putting yours in when the time comes. But right now, we want to go to mailings, and we want to go to start mail merge, and we want to go to the wizard, okay? So we want to do a letter, that's right. And we want to go to next, and we want to use the current document, that's correct. And now we want to go to next, select the recipients, but once again we're not going to use an existing list. We're going to type a new list, okay? So click on type a new list, all right? And that means we want to create. Okay, we need to customize the columns because when you look over your things, you see that you have a position and you also have a company name. So we've got company name in, but we haven't got anything for position. Also, we are told to put in a field for salutation. Okay, so first of all, let's put our cursor on company name, or pardon me, let's put it on last name. All right, and add a field called position. P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Okay, and it should be right after last name before company name, right? Okay, and we also need a salutation, and now we're going to put that in at the end of our postal code. So let's go click on zip code here right now. We'll fix that in a minute, and add one called salutation. And remember, it's S-A-L-U, salutation. U-T-A-T-I-O-N. All right, salutation. Now, star at the bottom, we'll get rid of the email address. We'll get rid of the work phone number. We'll get rid of the home phone number. And we'll get rid of the country or region. All right. Now, the state has to be renamed. And that's just something we have to do. Okay, and say okay, and then zip code, rename it, and again take out the Z and the I, and then put in O-S-T-A-L. Okay, postal code. All right, that's good. So we check. You got title, first name, last name, position, company name, address 1, address 2, and we want to have city, province, postal code, and salutation. All right, say okay. So we're going to put our first record in, and it's Miss Corina. So Ms. I didn't tab. Ms. and tab. Now under first name, Corina, C-O-R-R-I-N-A, and then we have Pritchett. Tab and P-R-I-T-C-H-E-T-T, and tab, and the position is proprietor. She's the owner. Okay, not two P's here. Okay, press your tab key, and the company name is Emily and Hildy. Okay, so Emily, and then we're going to use the ampersand, which is the shift of the 7, space before, space after, and then Hildy, H-I-L-D-E-Y, Hildy Home Care. All right, and then tab, and the address 1 is 52 Lyons Avenue, 52 L-I-O-N-S Avenue, A-V-E period, and then tab, and it's Winnipeg, so type not address 2, nothing, then city is Winnipeg, and then tab, put in MB for Manitoba, and then tab and put your caps lock on, and your postal code is R3M 2T7. Okay, and tab, take your caps lock off, tab, and your salutation in this case is Karina. Okay, and now tab. All right, so the next person is Mr. Howard Snuggles. So MR period, tab. First name is Howard. Tab. And Snuggles. Snuggles. And does he have a position? Yes, he's president. Okay, and tab. And the company name is World of Water. Tab. And the address, now he has one address, 7 Lake Park Drive. Okay, so 7 Lake Park Drive. All right, and tab. And no address, line 2. And the city is Lake of the Woods. And tab. And the province is Ontario, O-N for Ontario. And tab, put your caps lock on. And you want P3M, space 4R4. And take your caps lock off and tab. And the salutation is just Mr. Snuggles. So Mr. period Snuggles. Is it? 1 second here. Okay, Mr. Snuggles here. I forgot to space after the period. All right, so Mr. Snuggles. Then press your tab key. And the next person is Mr. Tom Bugs. Okay, so Mr. and then Tom and tab and Bugs. Now, this time, we don't have a position, and we don't have a company name, but we do have an address, two-line address. So the first one is Suite 5B, okay? So put in Suite 5B. All right, and then, oh, it skipped over one on me. I don't want to be there, so I'm going to cut this here. Control X and put it here, Control V. Now, in address line 2, I want to put in 407 Roach. 407 Roach Road. Okay, and then tab, and the city is Mosquito. Mesquito. And then tab. And put in MB for Manitoba. And the postal code is, caps lock on, R0, make sure you use a 0, G2T0, 2T0. And take off your caps lock and tab, and the salutation is Tom. All right, and press your tab key, and then we have Mrs. Okay, so MRS, period tab, Lillian, LILAIAN, and then tab, Exterminator, EXTER, MINATOR, Exterminator. And now position, yeah, SWAT, no, not position, company name. Go to company name, SWAT team. Okay, and then tab, and address line 1 is 3 Pest Control. Okay, and now tab, and address line 2, no, go, and city now is Accurate. ACT hyphen CUR hyphen it. All right, and then tab and put in BC, and then tab and put on your caps lock and put in T5X space 3W, oh pardon me, 3W3. All right, now did we have anything else? No, that's it. Okay, so let's say okay here. And now remember the first thing, it comes up to my data sources. We want to be in your U drive. So go to your U drive. There's my U drive. Go to ABT and go to Mail Merge. All right, and again, you see your databases. So we're going to put in, I'm going to put in my name, the current date. My caps lock is on. And this one's going to be called the Wonder Data. Wonder Data. Remember, data is for your clientele, your clients. All right, save it. Okay, now click on last name here and put it in alphabetical order so that you've got Bugs, Exterminator, Pritchett, and Snuggles. All right, and you can stretch it out if you want to take a quick look at it to see if you have any mistakes there. While we're here, we can look at it. And I think mine looks pretty good. Now, if you wonder about these names, the bugs were bothering me when I was making this up. So that's why you've got Tom Bugs and you've got Pest Control, all of those things. So anyway, hope you got a smile out of the names that I used. Click on OK. All right, so we got only a couple minutes left, so let's put on our date. So let's press enter here, and we'll go to Insert. And we're going to go to date and time. And remember, we want the third date and update it automatically. All right. And then remember, we want to go down. Our 4 plus 1 is 5. And we want to put in, go to mailings, and we want to do the letter address. So we want title, spacebar. We want first name, spacebar, and we want last name. And now press enter. And we want position, press enter, and then we want company, name, and press enter, and then we want address line 1, press enter, address line 2, press enter, and then city, comma space, and province, and space, and postal code. Okay, and press enter twice, and now we want to type dear, and we want to put in the salutation because we're going to customize the salutation. All right, let's stop here, save your work, and then I'll do the rest of it in the next video.